Hello, friends. Today we are going to get free stock, which is awesome. So, Robinhood is a really, really cool commission free investing platform, which is just incredible. They have actually totally changed up the market. So, let me kind of explain a little bit about what they are. Um, Basically, every time you want to buy and sell stock, and that includes in the stock market, that includes cryptocurrency, and that also includes a couple other cool products that I'll show you that they do, and it's all for free. Um, they don't charge you any sort of fees, which is awesome because some of the bigger players have traditionally charged like $5 per order. So if you want to buy one share of Coca-Cola, they'll charge you $5 just for the opportunity to buy. So you have to pay them before you can then actually buy the stock, which kills your returns. So Robinhood came in and disrupted the market, and they allow you to do commission-free investing, which lets you keep more of the money. And there are a few other cool things. I just want to kind of show you why it's a really good idea to get Robinhood, and then I'll show you how to get a free stock when you do sign up. So they have this thing called fractional shares, which means you can basically put in a certain amount of money, and that'll give you a certain number of units, and that could be a fractional amount of units of a stock. So let's say one stock, the total cost is $100 for one share of stock, but you only have $25 to invest. So you put $25 into that stock, and you have a quarter of a share. So it allows you to get into the game without having as much money, which is really, really cool. But also, they have really, really cool other features, like they'll they'll let you um, manage your portfolio. And I know it's like, oh, that's a way overused buzzword, but basically they let you hold cash in the app, and they will pay you on that cash. So it's not that much, and it's actually a variable amount. And because of the time of this recording is when coronavirus has just shredded the market, so typically it's going to be like in the 1 to 1.88% range, but there are very few investment accounts where you can just keep your cash in there and they will pay you on that cash. So even if you just want to sign up and hold your cash there instead of a savings account, you will be making money from your money, meaning your money will be working for you without you actually having to do anything, and it's totally safe. And when I say totally safe, I mean Robinhood, and maybe I'm looking to see if they have it down here. Okay, so you see how Robinhood's part of the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority. So because they're doing it very intelligently, Robinhood is, they've partnered with and abide by the rules of these different financial regulatory authorities, which means that you have protection. So even if, let's say, for whatever reason, Robinhood goes bankrupt, which they're actually like on the rise significantly right now, but let's say for whatever reason they go bankrupt or they get crushed or whatever, the government actually is protecting your money. So all of that is just awesome. So you get commission-free trading. If you don't really want to trade, but you just want to use this as like a savings account, you get paid money, and it's actually compounded daily. So every single day you get money and you get paid just for having your money in there, which is awesome. And then you can invest in cryptocurrencies. You can do any sort of trading that you want, whether it be just buying and selling, market orders, limit orders. You want to trade options, you can do all of that through here. And it's pretty sweet. So let's talk about how to get your free stock. So basically, you just go to the link that I'm going to have below this video. And when you click the link, it's going to bring you to this page. And my name's Ben, so that's why it's going to say my name here. But it'll say your free stock referral from Ben is waiting for you. And so what they do is, and it's pretty smart, they basically ask you to sign up. And when you do sign up, they give you a free stock. So they're going to ask you to put in your information and link your bank account and whatnot. And what we talked about before with them being um, compliant with different financial authorities, regulatory authorities, that means that they have to respect your privacy and they cannot violate your privacy. And I know a lot of people are a little bit hesitant putting in their financial information, um, but they're legally required to respect that. So because they're a legitimate company, they're going to respect your information. So, anyways, you click claim your free stock and you go through the song and dance here. Oh, look right here. This is what I was talking about. They're a member of the SIPC, so that means up to 500 grand, your money is protected. So that's really, really cool. And look, I would highly encourage you to go do a little bit more research. I've done mine because I hold all of my investments in Robinhood. So I would definitely encourage you to do your own research. But if you don't want to, just rest assured I have done that because it's like our money, so you have to be really careful about that. But anyways, you just go through the process, you get a free stock, and it's totally random. So sometimes you'll get a stock worth, like they're showing you here, $200. Sometimes it could be $5. You never really know, but it takes like maybe 3 to 4 minutes to sign up, and then you get free money. So I don't know why anybody would not do it. Plus, once you do sign up for Robinhood, it's actually a really, really good service, and I really have enjoyed um, uh, making my investments through this platform. So it's something that I would highly recommend.